Take a ride in the 2015 E-Class. Some predict the future. We prefer to build it. The Mercedes E-Class is an impressive ride, very smooth and punchy. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, wheel locks, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, panorama sunroof, speed control, sport package, four-wheel disc brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.